My dear lovely viewers, good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. We have a question to solve on the board which is under quadratic equation. However, we shall be using the almighty formula which is also known as the formula method in solving this question. Let's start. The question says find the solution of the equation x plus 2 root x minus 8 is equal to 0. So solving this, we write the solution. We have this x plus 2 root x is minus 8 is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is to collect like terms from x minus 8 is equal to the plus 2 root x becomes minus 2 root x. Okay, so from this point, for us to eliminate this square root sign, all we need to do is to square both sides of the expression. So taking the square of this side and also the square of this other side, we square the right hand side and also the left hand side. So from here, all we need to do is to expand this expression. So we have x minus 8 raised to power 2 means x minus 8 in two places. Now equal to minus 2 root x all raised to power 2 means minus 2 root of x times minus 2 root of x. Okay, so let's simplify this. We have x multiplying this x, which gives us x squared minus x times 8 gives us 8x. Here too, minus 8 times x gives us minus 8x minus. So here we have this minus and minus. Minus times minus gives us plus. Okay, so 8 times 8 gives us 64 equal to now minus 2 root x times minus 2 root x. This is minus times minus here. This is a plus, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. Root x times root x gives us root x squared. Simplifying further, we have x squared minus 8x minus 8x gives us minus 16x plus 64 is equal to, this square cancels this root sign. We are left with 4x. At this point, we collect like terms again by saying x squared minus 16x, then this 4x becomes minus 4x plus 64 equal to 0. Okay, so we can see that this is giving us a quadratic equation. Let's simplify further. We have x squared minus 16x minus 4x gives us minus 20x plus 64 equals to 0. So from this point, we can introduce what we call the almighty formula or the formula method. Let's test the formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's bring out our parameters from this point. We have our a to be equal to, the a is the first number here, the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So our a is 1. B here is minus 20. So b is equals to minus 20 and c is equal to 64. So we are going to input all of these values into this equation. So we have this x is equals to minus, b is minus 20 plus or minus square root of b square, b also which is minus 20 square minus 4 times a which is 1 times c which is 64 all over 2 times a which is 1. So simplifying, x is equals to minus times minus here gives us plus. So here we are left with 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square here gives us 400 minus 4 times 1 times 64 gives us 248 all over 2 times 1 gives us 2. So from here we have that x is equals to 20 plus or minus 400 minus 248 gives us 144. So we have square root of 144 here all over 2. So x is equals to 20 plus or minus square root of 144 is 12 all over 2. So here we have x is equals to 20 plus 12 all over 2 or 20 minus 12 all over 2. And from this point, we have the 20 plus 12 gives us 32, and we divide 32 by 2, and here gives us x equals to 16. Or we say 20 minus 12 gives us 8, and we divide it by the denominator, which is 2, and this gives us 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the final answer for x is 16 or 4. So the solution to this equation is 16 or 4. Hope you have learned something new today, my dear lovely viewers, on the quadratic equation using the formula method, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. This is the formula method. Thank you for watching, my dear lovely viewers. Once more, thank you for your likes, your comments, for sharing. God bless you all, and see you in our next class. Bye for now.